Compare parts of hundreds. Compare parts of hundreds. This rectangle divided into 100 equal parts. Here, 3 parts of them were colored. 3 parts of them. We can write it as a decimal 0.3. Here we can write it as a fraction 30 over 100. 30 over 100. We can write it as a decimal 0.3. 0.3. This rectangle divided into 10 columns. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 columns were colored. The colored portion is 30 over 100, 0.30. 3. Yes. Now, wait a minute please. Now, we colored 3 parts. 3 parts. 3 1 over hundreds. 3 1 over hundreds. We colored in orange. Orange colored. The parts, 3 parts colored, 3 colored parts in orange. Orange. We can write it as a fraction 3 over 100. 3 over 100. We can write it as a decimal 0.03. 0.03. 0.03. This is equal 3 1/10. The value represented by this 3 is 3 1 over hundreds. 3 1 over hundreds. 3 1 over hundreds. Now 0.03 is larger than 0.03. 0.3 is larger than 0.03. 0.3. 3 1/10. 3 1/10 is larger than 3 1 over hundreds. 3 1 over hundreds. Now, note down it. Now, for each pair of decimals below, fill in the blanks using one of the symbols. One of the symbols greater than or the symbol less than. Here, first 0.9 and 0.09. Which decimal is the greatest decimal? Which decimal is the greatest? Yes, tell me. 0.9 is greater than 0.09. Second one, 0. Yes. 5. Yes, is greater than 0.05. Third one. Yes. 0.7. Yes, is is greater than 0.07. Here, fourth one, please tell me.
0.8.
Yes, we can say that 0.08 is less than 0.8. 0.08 is less than 0.8. Next one.
0.01 is less than 0.1.
Yes, good. Then the same numbers, they are in the first decimal place and the other decimal number, the number is in the second decimal place. The value represented by the number in the first decimal place is 1/10. 1/10. The value represented by the number in the second decimal place is 1/100. Then now to compare the decimals, we need to express them as fractions having the same denominator. Please write down. Please write down it. 0.4. Here 4 1/10. 4 1/10. This one column is 1/10. Two columns are 2/10. 2 tenths. 2 1/10. 3 1/10. 4 1/10. Here 0.4. This part 0.41. 0.41. Then the 0.4 and this 4 1/10 and add one part to it. Add 1/100. Add 1/100. Then the digit in the first decimal place and the digit in the first decimal place are equal. Here the digit in the first decimal place is 4. Here the digit in the first decimal place is 1. Then 0.4. It is less than 0.41. Here 0.4. 4 1/10 and 4 1/100. 4 1/10 and 4 1/100 represent this decimal number. 4 1/10 represent this decimal number. 0.4 is less than 0.41. Second one. First decimal number is 0.43. Second decimal number is 0.42. Number in the first decimal place is 4. Digit in the first decimal place is 4 here. The digit in the first decimal place is 4. Then the digit in the second decimal place is 3. The digit in the second decimal place is 2. Then 3 is larger than 2. 3 is larger than 2. In first decimal number, 4 1/10 and 3 1/100. Second decimal number.